Is your Zoho Books still showing your old company name on every invoice? Learn how to update it in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 5 steps to change your organization name. Let's start by opening Zoho Books. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser, and you'll land on your organization's dashboard. Now, go ahead and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, usually found in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select Profile to access your organization's basic details. In the Organization Name field, type your new desired name. Once you're done, click Save to apply the change, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.